Your capstone project is a very important part of your journey. It shows all the new skills you have gained. Throughout your Healthcare Data Analyst course, you learn many things. This project brings all those pieces of knowledge together. Think of it as a final demonstration, a chance to shine. It truly proves what you are now capable of doing. This step is absolutely key as you move forward. It marks a significant transition in your learning process. You are building something real. You will move from studying books to tackling real tasks. This project is like a simulation of a job environment. You will handle challenges similar to real data problems. It can feel both exciting and perhaps a little daunting, but you should know that you are ready for this step. The experience you gain here is incredibly valuable for any aspiring data analyst. It directly prepares you for the kind of work you will do in your career. This hands-on practice is irreplaceable. Choosing a topic for your project is a chance to follow your passion. What specific area of healthcare genuinely interests you the most? Perhaps you are drawn to improving diabetes care, or maybe you want to investigate hospital readmission trends. You could also explore patient waiting times or the efficiency of new treatments. Pick something that sparks your curiosity and makes you want to dig deeper. This personal connection will make the hard work more enjoyable and fulfilling. Your enthusiasm will show. Think carefully about your future job and career aspirations. What kind of healthcare data analyst do you envision yourself becoming? Your capstone project can be a powerful tool to help you get there. Choose a focus area that aligns well with your long-term career goals. This strategic choice makes your professional portfolio much stronger. It clearly shows potential employers that you are serious, focused, and have relevant expertise. It's your first big statement to the professional world. Good planning is always the very first step towards achieving success. You must create a clear and detailed plan for your capstone project. Ask yourself, what exactly do you want to find out through this analysis? Write down your main research questions and objectives. These questions will serve as your guide throughout the entire work process. A well-thought-out plan will save you a lot of time in the later stages. It helps to keep your project focused and firmly on track. Next, you will need to acquire the data for your analysis. Where will you find this essential raw material for your project? Many public data sets are readily available on the internet from government or research institutions. Some educational courses might also provide synthetic data sets for practice. Always remember to think critically about data privacy and ethical considerations. Healthcare data is extremely sensitive and must be handled with the utmost care and responsibility. Ensure you follow all relevant ethical rules and guidelines. Data cleaning is often a very significant and time-consuming part of the job. You will find that raw data is frequently messy and disorganized. It might contain errors, inconsistencies, or have missing parts that need addressing. You must clean this data carefully and meticulously before analysis. This crucial step takes considerable time and a great deal of patience. However, remember that clean, reliable data is what gives you good, trustworthy results. It forms the solid foundation of your entire analysis. You need to define what your analysis will cover and what it will not. This is commonly known as your project scope. What specific questions will you aim to answer with your data? It is important not to try to solve every possible problem all at once. Attempting too much can easily make your project far too big and unmanageable. Stick closely to your defined scope from the beginning. This focus will help you complete your project successfully and on time. Now it is time to start the coding phase of your project. You will likely use powerful programming tools like Python or R. These languages are very popular and widely used in the field of data analysis. You will write scripts and programs to process and analyze your healthcare data. This is the exciting part where your initial ideas begin to become real. You will explore the data for hidden patterns, interesting trends, and valuable insights. This stage is very hands-on and practical. Visuals are essential because they help people understand complex data more easily. You should create various charts and graphs to present your findings. Bar charts are excellent for showing comparisons between different groups. Line graphs can effectively illustrate trends that occur over a period of time. Good, clear visuals make the story within your data much easier to grasp. They make complicated information accessible to a wider audience. Always choose the types of visuals that best fit your specific data and message. Do not hesitate to ask your mentor for help and valuable advice. Mentors bring a wealth of experience and can offer crucial guidance. They can review your code, suggest improvements, or help you overcome challenges. They might also offer new perspectives or ideas you had not considered. Constructive feedback is incredibly helpful for your learning and helps you improve your work. Remember, it is okay to ask questions. Mentors are there to support your educational journey effectively. Building a data project is almost always an iterative process. This means you will likely write some code, then test it thoroughly. Based on the results, you will then revise your code and test it once more. This cycle of coding, testing, and refining helps you to improve your work step by step. Your analysis will become stronger and more accurate with each iteration. Be patient with yourself and the process during this development phase. Good work takes time. It is important to package your completed project well for others to see. Write a clear and comprehensive report that explains your entire work process. Be sure to include your chosen methods, your analytical steps, and your key findings. Consider sharing your code on public platforms such as GitHub. This action makes your project accessible to a wider audience. Critically, it also clearly demonstrates your technical skills to potential future employers, which is very valuable. Prepare thoroughly to present your project to an audience. You will need to explain your work clearly and concisely to others. Practice your presentation multiple times so you feel confident. Focus on telling the story that your data reveals. Make sure to highlight your most important insights effectively and engagingly. Be ready to answer any questions about your project thoughtfully and with confidence. Good communication is a vital skill for any data analyst to possess and develop. Your capstone project often carries real-world meaning and potential impact. It might reveal practical ways to improve patient care processes, or perhaps your findings could identify strategies to lower healthcare costs. This is much more than just another student project. It is a significant achievement. It serves as a key portfolio piece when you are job hunting. It clearly demonstrates your practical abilities and your readiness for real analytical challenges in the workplace. This capstone project experience helps you grow immensely as a professional. You develop not only technical skills but also important soft skills. These include problem-solving, critical thinking, and effective communication. You build something tangible that you can and should be very proud of. It represents a big and important step towards launching your desired career. This project signals that you are ready for the data world. It effectively marks your successful transition from student to data analyst.